What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't seen my last video about the Nismo exhaust, make sure you go check it out. Now in the last video I said I was gonna do a exhaust clip and a probably POV video for you guys. The only reason I didn't is because I was gonna clean up the exhaust, but I've just been way too busy. But yeah, definitely will be cleaning it up soon. And also, if you guys watch my last video, in that couple of exhaust clip, you can hear this rattling noise, or this kind of noise sounds like exhaust leak. I definitely don't have any leak from the mid pipe back, which is the Nismo part. I do have factory white pipe, which the flexi pipe on the factory white pipe is pretty much done. It's scraped up, but I'm not sure if that is the part that is actually leaking exhaust, or it's because I have a test pipe, and I know a test pipe will give you quite a bit of rasp and that rattling noise maybe, but I don't know. I'll have to look into that. So yeah, I think the exhaust will sound a hell of a lot better after I get that sorted. But yeah, anyway, still the exhaust sounds pretty good when you get to the higher RPM, which I will do a video about that definitely. So yeah, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out, and also check out my HKS exhaust as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video, which is the review on my $20 oil catch can. So about 5 months ago, I installed a super cheap eBay, Amazon, AliExpress kind of quality oil catch can, and honestly it's been working really well for me. Let me pop the bonnet and I'll show you guys. So that is the oil catch can. Honest review, it is worth the money, definitely, but you have to replace with better hose, because the hose that the oil catch can came with, it was absolutely shit, and the hose is way too soft, and then because being vacuum, it ended up just flatten the hose, and then also the hose kind of more like a soft rubbery kind of hose, and then it kind of gets sticky. I think long term it'll even have oil seeping through the rubber. So now I got these braided kind of steel rubber hose, which is hell of a lot better. So yeah, if you get yourself a cheap oil catch can, definitely consider replacing the hose, which is probably gonna run you about $5, which is still cheap. The oil catch can is definitely doing its job. So after 6 months of driving, I have not emptied the oil catch can at all. So let us have a look. Alright, so I just untightened that part, and we'll have a look how much oil there is in there. So now you guys can see better. That's the amount of oil I have in there. I haven't done a crazy amount of driving, so generally this oil, dirty engine blow by kind of thing, would get burnt by your motor again, and that's not good. Catch can is definitely working as it should, and haven't been having any problem with it. Doesn't have any leak. So here the rubber ring seals really well. So yeah, my honest review is really the only part you need to replace is the rubber hose. So other than that, this works absolutely fine. But yeah guys, I know this is kind of like a short little video, but I do want to do this video because I see like oil catch can, the ADDW1, the Mishimoto, all of that oil catch can. Don't get me wrong, it is really good quality. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be better quality than this one, but considering you're paying like hundreds of dollars for a oil catch can, I don't think it's worth it, honestly. Now this oil catch can, 20 bucks, has been doing perfectly fine for me. All you need to do is replace the holes, which is gonna run you about 5 or 10 bucks maximum, and well, that's running about 30 bucks. It's like crazy. It's so much cheaper than going with crazy expensive oil catch can, and this one has been doing its job perfectly fine, keeping all the dirty blow by out of my engine. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want me to do any other review kind of videos, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.